Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make purchase order with requisition reference in hurry. So for this, I will go to transactions and then click on purchase order. And in this form, I will have to first fill out some necessary header fields like party. This is the business partner or our party for whom we are preparing this purchase order. I will select as green farm, price list. If we have linked any price list with this business partner, then it will come here automatically. For video purpose, we had kept this as blank, so we can select this from the drop down and we can change the document status to booked. Now, if I click here on tax, user will be able to select any tax from the drop down. Now, here at the right hand side of the screen, we have three tabs available: Assembly tab, Requisition Reference, Variant Product Selection tab. So I will click here on Requisition Reference tab and it will open up a new window, Purchase Order Requisition Reference Detail. In this window, ARI has provided different filters which are helpful to retrieve any document, such as this document filter. To retrieve any records between any specific date, we can use this filter, from date and to date. It will automatically take one past week from the current date, which is 18/11. Second is product category filter and product filter. So if user wants to retrieve any document according to its product category or product, then you can do so with the help of these two filters. Requester. So this is another filter. It provides result according to the employee selected here. Second is organization wise filter. So we can fetch requisition document made in any specific organization. This is the company and this is the store. So if I want documents from the store, then I can pull those documents by selecting this store here. Similarly, document number. If user is aware of its document number, then he will simply copy the document or type in the document number here and the document will be retrieved. Now, this filter, reference type. Here we have two options, remaining and all. If we have selected remaining, then it will only display those requisitions which are remaining to be fulfilled or which are remaining to be procured from the vendor. If the option selected here is gone, then it will display all those documents which are completed and which are pending to be fulfilled. So now from this window, let's say I need all these three products. We can see here the approved quantity, reference quantity, balance quantity and quantity. So if I check here on apply, then the quantity will be here's 5. We can change this quantity to 2 or anything. So this quantity here or in this window can be changed according to our will or how much quantity we need to order from vendor. So for video purpose, I'm keeping this as it is 5 and I will save this document. Now we will enter price here. Let's say for it's 15. Custom rate. it's 15 again. So I will click here and our document will be saved. Once I clicked on save, the document will be saved and a voucher will appear. So in this way we have seen how to create a purchase order with the help of requisition reference. Thank you.